Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install WinterCMS on Oracle Linux 9.3. WinterCMS is a open source content management system CMS designed for simplicity and flexibilities in building websites and web applications. It is based on the Laravel PHP framework known for its elegant syntax and powerful features. WinterCMS provides a user-friendly interface for content creation and management, making it accessible for both developers and non-technical users. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next, I am going to install Apache Web Server and MariaDB and PHP by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable and start the Apache and MariaDB service by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of Apache and MariaDB service by using the following command. The both services are running and active. Next, I am going to install the PHP version. Next, I am going to check the installed PHP version by using the following command. The PHP version is 8.0. Next, I am going to log into the MariaDB console by using the following command. Next, I am going to create the database by using the following command. Next, I am going to create the user by using the following command. Next, I am going to grant all the privileges to the database for that user by using the following command. Next, I'm going to flush the privileges and exit from the MariaDB console by using the following command. Next, I'm going to create the directory for WinterCMS on the following location. Next, move to the WinterCMS directory and download the WinterCMS source package by using the following command. Next, I'm going to extract the WinterCMS source package by using the unzip command. Next, I'm going to change the ownership and permission of the directory by using the following command. Next, I'm going to create the virtual configuration file to access WinterCMS by using the following command. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Next, I'm going to check the syntax of Apache configuration file by using the following command. Next, I'm going to the add Apache service in the firewall and reload the firewall service by using the following commands. Next, I'm going to disable the Apache web server default web page by using the following command. Next, I'm going to restart the Apache service to apply all the changes by using the following command. Next, go open the browser. To access WinterCMS by using the following URL. This is the dashboard of WinterCMS installer. Click Begin Compatibilities check. System checks are enabled. Click Continue installation. Click I accept. Enter the site name. Here enter the site name Linux help 2. The backend path I mentioned in admin. Enter click here. Enter username. Enter password. Enter the database name. Click administrator. First name should be administrator. Enter username admin. Enter password. And click begin final check. The DB connection and are enabled. It takes few minutes to install. Now click view your backend. Enter the admin credential. This is the dashboard of WinterCMS. This is a process to install WinterCMS on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.